Hello. Thank you for joining us today. I'm excited to introduce you to the enhanced email notifications feature in our latest version of OnPrintShop. Till now, it was a hassle for the admin to create and manage email notifications, as they were positioned at different places. However, in our new version, we've centralized the email notification settings, making it easier than ever to manage all your email notifications in one place. To achieve this, we have created two new tabs: Order Status Email and Quote Status Email. With these tabs, you now have the flexibility to create distinct email templates for each status. We've also redesigned the email and SMS notification user interface to improve your overall navigation experience. Let's take a closer look at the new order update status. By simply clicking on the Edit button, you can customize the status notification. Here, you have the freedom to update the status template, as well as specify the sender and receiver email addresses. What's more, you can even effortlessly check store-wise emails. Simply click on the drop-down menu to filter and manage the email template store-wise. And one more feature that allows you to view feature-specific emails. Just click on the drop-down menu and select the desired category, whether it's for administrators, printers, customers, or others. If you'd like to learn more about these exciting enhancements and explore other features of OnPrintShop, please visit our website or reach out to our dedicated support team. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you streamline your email notifications with OnPrintShop's new version.